Hello, beautiful souls. It's your girl Rabia, and welcome back to Rabia Unfolded. Today, we're making a dish that's packed with flavor, color, and just pure goodness. Pan fried salmon with roasted asparagus and cherry tomatoes, served with fluffy, perfectly cooked quinoa. This is one of those meals that look fancy, but it's actually easy to make at home. Trust me, your taste buds are going to thank you. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to take our quinoas and wash them really well. Always make sure to rinse it until the water runs clear. This helps remove any extra starch and keeps it light and fluffy. Once it's clean, I add a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of unsalted butter, I cover the pot and let it cook slowly over medium to low heat. Meanwhile, we can prep the rest of our ingredients. I wash my asparagus and cherry tomatoes. And then I slice the tomatoes in half. Just take a look at these beautiful red and orange colors. I peeled my garlic cloves and set everything aside. Now, I layer the asparagus on an oven-friendly tray. Added the cherry tomatoes and garlic, and sprinkled in some ground black peppers, white peppers, paprika, and seasoning salt. Then I drizzled in a little avocado oil. Then it goes in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. While the vegetables roast, let's get our salmon ready. These are skinless fillets, which I wash and pat dry so the seasoning sticks perfectly. For the marinade, I use freshly grated lemon zest, a squeeze of lemon juice, a mix of dried herbs, paprika, and a little bit of avocado oil. I add some liquid Maggi seasoning for that extra depth of flavor. And then I give everything a good mix until it's nice and fully combined. And then I massage everything onto the salmons, making sure every piece is fully coated. This step is key as you want every bite to be flavorful. Now heat up a pan with a little avocado oil or any oil of your choice and fry your salmon. Cook it until both sides are beautifully golden brown and fully cooked through. While the salmon's cooking, check your roasted vegetables. They should be vibrant, aromatic, and ready to mingle with the fish. And then set everything aside for the final assembly. Next, melt a little unsalted butter in the same pot and crush in some garlic. You can add in your already chopped garlics at this time. Add a splash of lemon juice and pinch of seasoning salt. Then fold in your oven roasted cherry tomatoes and give everything a good mix. and gently place the cooked salmon on top. Feel free to scoop some of those roasted vegetable juices over it. At this time, beautiful souls, feel free to add in your oven-baked asparagus. And you can go ahead and sprinkle in some fresh green herbs for that brightness. And there we have it, beautiful souls. A beautiful salmon with roasted vegetables and fluffy quinoa is ready to enjoy any day of the week. It tastes even better than it looks, I promise you that. Thank you very much for cooking with me today. And if you try this at home, don't forget to tag me, as I love to see your creations too. Stay blessed, and until next time, this is Rabia Unfolded. Don't forget to keep it delicious and real. Cheers.